Hi everyone. Today I'll be explaining Science Form 3 2.5 Gaseous Exchange in Plants. Just like humans and animals, plants also have their own gaseous exchange processes with their respective respiratory systems. In this subtopic, you will learn the mechanism of gaseous exchange in plants. That is, when does the gaseous exchange happen, how does it happen, and why does it happen at that time. Number 2 is the diffusion of carbon dioxide. When plants carry out photosynthesis, they need to take in carbon dioxide. But we need to also know how can the carbon dioxide enter the plant cells, and how does gaseous exchange occur by the process of diffusion. In number 3, we have stomatal pore and guard cells. In this subtopic, we will learn about the open and closed stoma at different light intensities and different times. And number 4 is the process of osmosis, where we will look at concentration of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane. Process of osmosis also, we will learn on how it happens in guard cells when it becomes when it influences the shape of the guard cell. Other than that, osmosis also has its effects on the stoma, that is, it can be opened or closed. The last part is the importance of unpolluted air and what are the effects of acidic gases in the air on the survival of plants. So in this video, I will be explaining the first one, mechanism of gaseous exchange in plants. And there will be 5 parts for 2.5, and there will also be a discussion of questions. Let's get started. Number 1, mechanism of gaseous exchange in plants. Okay, so gaseous exchange in plants is carried out with leaves, stems, and roots through surroundings. So why is it carried out with these 3 things? So that it can produce a large surface area. Okay, so if the question asks you what is the purpose of a root, function of an aerial root of mangrove plants, you can specify that it produces a large surface area to maximize the rate of respiration for plants. Respiration / photosynthesis. Okay, so gaseous exchange in plants happens in day and night. As you can see in these both diagrams, this is the day and this is the night. During the day, plants take in carbon dioxide and also oxygen, whilst they also give out the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. And why is this? Because during the daytime, plants carries out photosynthesis and also respiration, where photosynthesis is a process where plants take in carbon dioxide and then they release the oxygen. But the respiration is different. Respiration takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. So therefore, they will take carbon dioxide and oxygen and give out oxygen and carbon dioxide. But during the night, plants only take in oxygen and only give out carbon dioxide, meaning we can clearly see that they carry out respiration only. Why do they carry out respiration only? Because photosynthesis is a process where it requires sunlight. Sunlight is a requirement for photosynthesis. So therefore, photosynthesis cannot be carried out at night time. So the plant will only take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. That's the end of part 1. Thank you.